Hello, I have a little unboxing video for you today. This was unexpected. I actually received a notification from my apartment complex that I lived at months ago that they received a package. And when I asked if they would look and let me know who it was from, and they said Wiley Publishing, I said, I know exactly what that is. And I knew that it was the author copies of my book that's coming out very soon, Writing from Scratch. Now, those of you that know about this book, you know this project has been something that was a test of my endurance. It's longer than any book I've ever written. It was over 200 pages, over 50,000 words, and I'm used to writing children's books that have, 500 to 1,000 words. So it really took a lot for me to be able to write this book, but I wanted to be able to include my very favorite writing lessons from the classroom because I taught for over 25 years and writing was one of my favorite times of the day. I know that's not the case necessarily for a lot of teachers, and so I purposely tried to make this book something that teachers would be able to feel some confidence, comfort, and joy in teaching writing. And I'm sure that if you use some of these lessons that your kids will love writing too. Now, I got into a culinary theme when I created this book. I decided to call it Writing from Scratch, and every single lesson is written up like a recipe. So you've got your ingredients, your appetizers, your cooking instructions, and even your dessert. So I also, when I do professional development at schools, for writing from scratch, I have all kinds of props and things for us to mix it up and have our writing lessons be a little bit different than usual. We want our kids to take creative risks, and we know that there are all kinds of ingredients that it takes to have a good piece of writing, from ideas to making it flow, to our emotions, our word choices, how we organize the writing. All of these things go into a good piece of writing. Now, without further ado, I am going to open the box and get to see. I know you've seen the cover in my posts, but it's just different when you finally get to see it in person, and it never gets old for me. So here we go. So here it is, Writing from Scratch, and it is lesson plans to boost your classroom writing instruction. It's all of my favorites in here. So like I said, there are all kinds of recipes. So all of them are written as recipes, and I have all kinds of PDFs and things in here for you to use. I hope you love it. I hope your students love it. Have some more information here, and wow, I can't wait to have this officially come out on February 6th. And please let me know if you have any questions about it, if you want me to come to your school and train your teachers on how to do some of these writing from scratch lessons, or how to just cultivate some confidence in teachers and in their students with their writing, because writing should be fun, should be engaging. We should be figuring out authentic audiences for these kids, because if they do, I guarantee they're going to grow as young writers and they're going to grow to love writing. Thank you.